Okay, I'm gonna do two things here before I freeze my ass off. One is I used a bowl of soapy warm water and I got the steering tube in through there. So luckily I had bought two running board install kits, so I had twice as many screws. So these 10 millimeters that you use for under the running boards fit perfectly here. So I'm just bolting this one up. Then I can fit my actual steering column in there and align the steering box, which is then going to force me to redo my tie rods, I think, because they may or may not be perfectly aligned. I think that's okay. Let's see. Actually don't know how far the steering column goes in terms of how far back do I slide it. So if I look here, right now it's coming through approximately an inch and a half. Also I have that there on the side, and I think it was on the right side when I don't remember exactly, but so what I can do is take this guy, whoops, feed it through here, let's see, I need a little, that soapy water. I should have used something like a WD-40. Anyway, that goes through there like that. So, and that has the spring. And now this, you can see is way off. So I need to move this in order to get that aligned with the center of the steering rod. So what I'm going to do first is put on my parts here, this and this, and then let's see how far off my alignment is on that. Okay, well, I loosened this a little bit, so now I just want this to line up with this thing. All right, well, I've tightened up this thing. Now I realize the only thing that'll fit on here is actually adjustable wrenches, so I'm just going to, I only have one crown nut, so I'm gonna, but I may replace these because I want to get the cotter pins through, but for right now I need to get the alignment. So I have a lock washer on here. This one I can do with the cotter pin, and the other one where I have no crown nut, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe order another one. All right, here are the updates. I have put in these overrider supports coming through here, bolted them on. Put on my running board here on the right side, fully bolted in. Put on my overrider bars here on the front, bolted in. I connected my steering column and tightened down my steering box there, and this comes out at that angle, so I'm not sure how far this needs to stick out right here, because right now the steering column sticks out about this far. Is that too far or not far enough? I don't know. And then I tried to get this a little bit better. I undid it and dremeled this a little bit. That's what this stuff is here, a little fiberglass. And tried to stick that in there a little better. Put lock washers on the ends of these, so this is all good. So that, you know, that's what it looks like here with the steering column. So I'll need to get my steering wheel so that I don't have to use this one over here. But that's pretty good progress, I think, in terms of running boards and how it looks. I may just fit my doors just to 99% sure they're going to be fine, because I had my bars in there the whole time when I did the heater channels. But I may, before I proceed any further, it might be a good idea for me to test my doors with the latches and just make sure that's all good. All right, yeah, that's the current status. I still have to do the long body bolts here up in the front part of the heater channel, but overall that looks good. I'm gonna get my radio antenna and redo my steering alignment there. Now that the tie rods went flapped down a little bit, and then new master cylinder. So, all right.